little yogis. Are you ready to stretch, move, and have fun? Let's go on a magical yoga adventure.
Lie down on your tummy. Now push your body up, under your shoulders, straighten your arms. Come down onto your elbows. Place your forearms on the ground. Make your body straight like a line. Step 1 foot forward, bend your front knee, stretch your back leg straight behind you. Now lift your arms up high. Stack one knee over the other. Now lift your arm up, bend it behind your back. Bend forward, rest your forehead down, stretch your arms in front. Hands and feet on the floor, hips up high. Now slowly lift one leg up, stretch it straight behind you. Sit down and straight your feet together. Now slowly bend forward. Reach your hands toward your toes. Now stand on one leg and lift the other. Hold your toe with hand. Place one hand on the floor under your shoulder. Stack your feet, one on top of the other. Now lift your body up. Bring one knee forward. Place it in front of you. Stretch your other leg straight back. Lie down on your back, bend you one leg and straight the other. Now slowly lift your hip. Put your hands down on ground. Kneel down on your knees. Place your hands on your hips. Now slowly lean back. Open your chest up to the sky. Sit down with your legs straight in front. Now lift both arms up to the sky.